Good Monday morning, everybody, and welcome to Remote Learning for AJ Science. Today we are going to start a new unit about roller coasters. We're going to learn the ups and the downs, the ins and the outs of roller coasters, and find out where they get all their energy from. The plan is for this to be a 2-week unit, and by the end of this unit, you will create your own miniature version of a roller coaster. So I have all the instructions of how to do that, and hopefully by the end of this will be a lot of fun. It's something you can be pretty proud of. So let's get started and look and see how this works. So each day I will have a new video loaded up for this PowerPoint or Google Slides presentation. And we'll walk through and look at what you need to do. You don't need to watch this video if you don't want to. If you'd rather just click on the instructions and go through everything, you can do that too. This is here to help you if you need help. Also, if you have any questions or anything that doesn't make sense, please feel free to email me at jettj@district87.org, and I'll be happy to answer those. I'll be answering them during the 10 to 11 o'clock time every day, but also at other times whenever I have time to do that. So feel free to email me. We're going to walk through day one here and see what you need to do day one. What else are we going to do here? I'm going to show you some of the things that you need to do, and we're going to go to a website called Wonderopolis. So here, let's get started. So day one, we're going to introduce this idea of a roller coaster and what we're going to be learning about. I really want you to focus on the energy of roller coasters. That's what we're going to be looking at. Where's this energy? And to help us with that, we're going to be doing our PhET simulation. We've done a lot of these PhET simulations throughout the year. We're going to go back to that site, and we're going to go to a skate park there to help us understand. And we're going to be focusing on things that say kinetic and potential energy. So whenever you're reading anything about kinetic or potential energy, pay attention to those words. Those are big words when learning about roller coasters and energy transfer. At the end of the unit, like I said, you're going to be creating your own roller coaster. Here are some models of some other ones, but there are so many different possibilities here. I have at the last slide, if you want to skip ahead, you can see all of the different options you have. So you'll definitely be able to find something you can do or something you're interested in doing. Let's go to the next slide. All right, so day one, here we are continuing. So here we're going to click on this link here. So be paying attention when you go through the slides for any links like this. This color means click on me and I have more information. So we're going to click on this and we're going to go to Wonderopolis article. And we're going to find out where is the fastest roller coaster. Notice right here I've given you a hint. If you would rather listen to it than read, you can click on this button right here when we get there. So let's go there now. All right, Wonderopolis, where is the fastest roller coaster? Over here is that listen to me button that you have available. Also, another thing I want to point out to you is that this has some different things you can look at. It has videos you can watch. So it's not just reading. Feel free to explore this page and find out a lot about roller coasters. Trying to get some background information. This right here is the article I want you to read. So it's, as you can see, it's a very short article. And when you get to here, you're all done. We're going to go back to that slideshow. Here we go. So we've clicked on Wonderopolis right over here. We read the article. Then for the second part, I want you to answer some questions about the article. So click over here to form. And when you do that, here's the form that you'll be filling out. Put your name in here, and you're going to answer questions about roller coasters and some things that you think about roller coasters now that we're starting this unit, and some things you want to learn about roller coasters. So put all that information in there. Then when you finish that form, you are ready for day two. So relax, come back tomorrow, and I'll have another video for you all about roller coasters and where they get their energy. All right, be safe and stay in touch. Bye, guys.